Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I have been going through my request book and I discovered that there are a lot of people out there that are looking for inspiration for decorating the beach house or maybe the barn. In my sketchbook, I rediscovered this design that I did for a friend years and years ago. It is simple and it's so effective and it just is like, it's just a beautiful thing. Let me share. You need a placemat, any kind of a placemat. I kind of like this duty stuff because it's sort of rustic and it's more, well, it just says beach to me. So get your table mat, and you need to get a round one. Round ones work best. And then all you're going to do is you are going to do that like that. Just bring it up so that you've got this cone shape. And then with the glue gun, without burning yourself, just do that. And then squish that down and hold it until it holds its shape. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? So simple. So you've got, and they're so cheap, but they're beautiful as a shape. Now, the next thing you need to do is I've forgotten something. One moment. Oh, goodness, I forgot the most important thing, the beads. Okay, the next thing to do is to go to the middle. So this is for your hanger. So about there is where I need to stick this through there, bring that up like that, and then twist that around like that and make sure that it's quite firm. Getting the beads, these lovely wooden beads, which I bought in America to bring home because I had another idea, but for now, these are perfect for what I want to achieve. So these now just get hung, and you can decide how long you want or how short you want this to be, and you keep threading until you get to the other side. How easy is that to provide a beautiful, visually interesting, nice hanger? Now I'm just going to get rid of that. And I'll get rid of my beads because we don't need those. Now, it's just a matter of going for a walk along the beach, in the sand dunes, or along the side of the road to gather the materials that you would like to incorporate into your beach themed look. So I've just got some daisies here. I've got a little bit of wildflower, I've got some snowberries, and I've got a nice piece of eucalyptus. It's just a matter of getting your eucalyptus, and we're just going to make a nice little posy here of all of our forms. Best to do the posy shape in your hand at this stage. Put another bit into there. I've got those beautiful berries I love these gum nuts. In fact, they're kind of one of my most favourite things to be playing with at the moment. I've got some snowberries, so I'm going to bring a snowberry to there, bring that down and into there like that. And then with these gorgeous daisies, just a daisy there, a daisy there. You could use bunny tails. If you wanted it for your barn, you could use some beautiful wheat or some oats or grasses. And then this is where it gets a weeny bit fiddly, getting this into here, because you have to go down the bottom here and get your hand in. You could do this separately, but I don't like to do that because you know what I'm like. And there we have it. And you don't want this to be too neat and tidy, but look at that. Informal gathering of gorgeousness to hang on your wall, your front door. If you wanted to do this for a wedding in a barn or wherever, those hanging along the pews are amazing. I just love them. And I also just like all those natural forms together. That just says, it's beachy vibes to me. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day.